I wanna see you helping me. Was that you? It looked just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what I've been through. Or am I just going crazy? I thought I saw you yesterday. I didn't stop, cause you was walking the opposite way. I guess I could've shouted out your name, but even if it was you, I don't know what I would say. We can sit and reminisce about the old school, or maybe share a cigarette, cause we both fools. Chop it up and compare perspectives. Life, love, stress, and setbacks. And you can tell me how hard you had it, and you can show me all the scars to back it. And we can analyze each complaint, break it down and explain the mistakes I made. I get tangled in the strings of the puppetry, but y'all knew me back when I was a younger me. You've seen Sean in all types of light. I gotta ask you this, Dallas, are we doing alright tonight? It looked just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what I've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause I miss you? Was that you? It looked just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what I've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause I'm shook? I know, I pushed when I should've pulled. Took it all back if I could, I put that on my soul. I could make a top-notch, good listener. You can block off a little time out to give it here. Since we went our separate paths, I've hit a couple of snags that remind me of the past. I can't front y'all, I'm having a blast. Damned if I ain't afraid of how long it's gonna last. Sitting here wishing we could kick it here. Give me your opinions, I do miss your criticisms. Didn't mean to be distant, make a visit. I'll wait up and keep the coffee brewing in my kitchen. Shit, who am I joking with? Ain't no way that you and I will ever get to reopen it. It doesn't matter, this is more than love. And maybe if I'm fortunate, I'll see you out the corner of yesterday. It looked just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what I've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause I miss you? Was that you? It looked just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what I've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause... And I know it's not just about me. Everybody here misses somebody. Do me a favor, make some noise for somebody that you miss right now. And when you left, I didn't see it coming. I guess I slept, it ain't like he was running. You crept out the front door slow, and I was so self-absorbed I didn't even know. By the time I looked up, it was booked up. Put it all behind you, bad and the good stuff. A whole house full of dreams and steps. I think you'd be impressed with the pieces I kept. You disappeared, but the history is still here. That's why I try not to cry over spilled beer. I can't even get mad that you're gone. Leaving me was probably the best thing you ever taught me. I'm sorry, it's official. I was a fistful, I didn't keep it simple. Chip on the shoulders, anger in the veins. Had so much hatred, now it brings me shame. I never thought about the world without you, and I promise that I'll never say another bad word about you. I thought I saw you yesterday, but I know it wasn't you, cause you passed away. But it looked just like you. Strange things my imagination might do. Take a breath, reflect on what I've been through. Or am I just going crazy cause I miss you? And I'm talking to you.